New toy. You have a new toy?
She's out of breath.
You'd be too.
Try to get on the floor?
You got it down your level, of course. Yeah, see the birds are on the other side. Yeah. What you doing? You want to come up? Well, you gotta get this out of the way. Come over here. Come on.
Go sit with me.
Here. You gonna sit and talk to me? Huh? Hi. Oh, don't throw yourself off.
I know.
Please.
Please don't.
Don't do that. Can't keep ya. Yeah. Yeah, you've got the pillow too. Sure. I'm gonna bring it over here so that you can see it. See? Yeah, birdie. Whispering about it. Birdies, yeah. Those are birds. You don't want them. You don't want them. You just want to push them. I've got it.
Okay.
I'll get my hand around her waist.
Don't fall forward.
What's that? What is that? It's a pillow, huh?
You're silly.
It's a new place to play. Something to do.
Now we're playing, huh?
There. Push it. Play it. Push it up there. Yeah. That's it.
I'll get it.
You like pushing it.
It's like this big heavy thing for her.
She booked it out herself. Yeah. You did. I have to hold you because you're going to throw yourself off of here.
Whoop.
There you go. Here you come. Here they come. They're back.
Food all over her face still, honey.
Love those little shoes.
I know.
They're so cute.
Daddy picked them out.
Yeah, they're sweet.
What do you mean by daddy? Your daddy or him?
Daddy. Him. My husband.
Her father.
Yeah.
Hi. You want to come up too? You can come up and see the baby. No,
She's
you
like,
don't
no,
want
I
to.
don't think so.
I don't think I'll have her pull my ears.
Okay.
You want to get down there?